Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. Hey, over the last couple of years, my YouTube channel has grown tremendously, and I can only appreciate it, the viewers who subscribe. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button to get the first up-to-date videos, or you could always Google my name, Dr. Janan Jawad, and you could go to my JDoc Real Minute page. Again, if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get the most up-to-date videos. And thanks everybody who's watching. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jawad. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for tuning in to YouTube. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button right down below. And right next to it is the bell notification. Hit that because I try to upload videos weekly. Depending on my schedule, I'm very busy. And when I do, you'll be first to be notified if you hit that bell button. If you're watching this on Facebook, thank you very much. Please hit my like page and go over to YouTube and see more of my videos. Please share with a friend, but thanks for watching. One of the questions I get a lot, and I try to stress a lot, is the liver pathway and how the liver plays a big part in your overall state of health, because a lot of practitioners don't make the connection of the liver pathway, how it connects with the gut, how the liver pathway connects with the skin, how the liver pathway connects with the kidneys, how the liver pathway connects with the lungs. So if you're doing a detoxification program, just doing it for the weekend is not really that much going to be beneficial to you versus if you're going to make a lifestyle change. So I just want to touch up on the liver detoxification and how it's going to benefit you, because I get this one question asked a lot of me. Now the question is always, what's detox? What is detoxification? What does that mean? What does it mean? Well, you know, we all know it's a concept, and it's been around for a long time, and there's countless number of diets, there's countless number of drinks, supplements that people take to help clean up those liver pathways. And it sounds like a great idea. However, the one thing I always want to stress to my patients about, especially when I'm talking to them about these programs, is yeah, we all know that one person who did it for the weekend, they felt great. You know, I know somebody who did it for a weekend, they lost 50 pounds. And that's awesome. About 10 years ago, I did one of those quick fix drinks. I think it was with water, ginger, and I don't know, like lemon or something like that. And I lost 12 pounds for the weekend. I felt like crap. I looked good, but you know, it was only a temporary fix, because what I did wrong, I went back to the same stuff I was doing that got me there in the first place. So I'm going to touch up on lifestyle changes as well. So a lot of other questions that are thrown at me is, you know, again, what exactly is detoxing? How does your body get rid of these toxins? Your body gets rid of the toxins a couple ways. One, actually different ways. Through the skin, you sweat it out, okay? Through your urine and through your feces. And also if they're in your lungs, this, you know, when you cough them out. So there's different ways that your body's going to get rid of these toxins once you get detoxified. Are there different types of toxins? Yeah, I'm sure there are. I really don't know. Are the toxins originating from the outside of the body or within? It's a combination of both. You know, we're all exposed to all the, you know, the environmental factors, you know, the pesticides, the herbicides. You know, we're downtown. I live outside Chicago, so when I go downtown to the city, you know, I'm going to be bombarded with, you know, the trucks, the cabs, the Ubers. So again, these are all environmental toxins that we get from the outside in. How long should you detox for? I'll get to that in a second. And what is the best way to detox? And that's what I'll cover. So you have to understand some of the basics of detoxification and why it's more of a lifelong process than just maybe like a weekend thing or, you know, 2 weeks, you know. The reason being is because whatever gets you there, if you don't change it, you're just going to go right back to it. It's like the weight loss programs. Sure, you lost 10 pounds in the 10 weeks, but unless you, how are you going to maintain it? That's one of the questions I always ask my patients. That's great. That's great, Brian, but how are you going to maintain it? So, again, but also one thing that we have to be aware of is the other complaint or a comment that I'm always bombarded with is, I'm never sick. So do you think I'm toxic? Heck yeah, you're toxic. We all are. Even if we lived in the bubble, the beautiful bubble that we dream of, that our cells, when our cells work, it has a byproduct called free radicals. Now you've heard this term about free radical damage. Free radicals, too much of them will cause cancer, will cause sickness, or zap the mitochondria, or zap these cells. So we need, even if you live in a bubble, just due to your cells working, you need what's called antioxidants, or else these free radicals are going to build up and they're going to make you sick. So what is the main organ or organ systems that are involved in detoxification? Now, a lot of people just assume that the liver is the detoxifying organ. Yes, it is. Your liver is a phenomenal organ. It does detox. It is the main organ in detoxification. However, it works in conjunction with your kidneys, with your lungs, with your digestive system, with your skin. Okay? Remember, the kidneys, where does the toxins go? They filter through your kidneys, out through the urine. Lungs. What happens if you get backed up lungs? They start detoxifying. You're going to spit it up. You're going to cough it up. The skin. When you sweat. The digestive system. Okay? The digestive system is the portal to your immune system. If you want to work your brain, if you want to help your brain, help your gut. If you fix your gut, you're going to help your brain. The gut is the second brain. Okay, it's a dynamic part into how the whole body works. So when most people are just thinking about detoxifying, all they're thinking about is detoxifying the liver. And again, rightfully so. However, there's more components involved, and I just want to make you be more aware of that. It's just not the liver. But the liver has over 400 functions in the body. Okay, it's a dynamic organ. It works as a filter. Now, how does it do that? Is that when we eat stuff and it gets broken down in the small intestines, or we're recycling red blood cells, or if we're doing another body function, it goes through what's called the hepatic portal system. The hepatic portal system, okay, then goes to the liver. So the hepatic portal vein is the main thoroughfare between the body, okay, and the liver. And the liver is a filter. Okay, so also, then the liver is the main organ, is the main filter, detox center between, again, the gut and the rest of the body. So it goes from the digestive system, digestive viscera, to the liver, then from the liver to the rest of the body. So you can see how the liver plays a huge part in how everything works. It filters, it cleans up, it basically detoxifies what we've absorbed and prepared. Again, it prepares it for the rest of the body. It's like a packaging plant. So, but again, we're bombarded with toxins every day. Again, pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, preservatives, okay, other toxin that food, again, every single toxin that we're exposed to gets filtered through the liver. So it's pretty big. Now, I want you to pay attention to the phases, okay? So how we detoxify, there's two phases. There's phase 1 and there's phase 2. Phase 1 pathway, okay, takes the toxins and changes them so they can be removed from the rest of the body. One major function is that in phase 1, it takes the toxins that are fat soluble and then begin the process to make them water soluble. So phase 1 is taking fat soluble, change them to water soluble. Again, so they can be eliminated from the rest of the body. Now also, in addition, the liver takes the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, makes them inactive, because if they're all inactive, it makes them active through the liver pathway. So this is why when you have a boggy liver, you're not absorbing all these vitamins, these nutrients. So does that make sense? Like the cascade that's created by having a boggy liver pathway. Now, one of the ways, the nutrients, okay, that are important for the phase 1 are your B vitamins, vitamins E, vitamin C, and carotenoids. Okay, so all those essential nutrients are also blocked by alcohol, blocked by prescription medication, blocked by hydrogenated foods, high fructose corn syrups. So again, this is where when you eat bad foods or take medication or drink alcohol, this is, again, it just pulverizes your liver. So that's phase one. Let's talk about phase two. So phase two takes the toxins from phase one and makes them harmless to the rest of the body and renders them water soluble. So now phase two makes the harmful less harmful. Okay? It basically packages up the toxins so they can be safely eliminated from the liver and then re-enter your body to be eliminated. So this is the phase two pathway. Okay? And where do they get eliminated from? The digestive tract and the kidneys. Okay? So you need, the thing is, the takeaway is that you need these two phases to be in balance. If one is too active and the one is underactive, if phase one is too active and phase two is underactive due to fill in the blank, where are all these toxins going to go? Yes, they're unpackaged, but they're just going to stick around the body. Remember, phase two, it helps eliminate them for the rest of the body through the digestive. Either you're going to poop it out or you're going to urinate it out. Now, the main ingredients for phase two are the amino acids: glutathione, taurine, cysteine, glycine, and acetylcysteine, otherwise known as NAC, alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, milk thistle if you're going the herbal route. All these essentials, does that make sense, are important in phase two, which helps eliminate these toxins from the body. The first one just kind of breaks them down. The second one helps eliminate it. Okay, so you can see how the liver has a dynamic function and how basically how the body works. Now, right now I'm showing you the detoxification pathways. You can see step one, they require nutrients. Step two, they require nutrients. Again, how they're eliminated through the body, through the gallbladder and bile, and through the kidneys and the urinary system. So you can see how it all works together. But let's not forget about the lungs, the skin, the kidneys. The lungs help remove the toxic gases from your body. Your skin, you sweat it out. Can also be eliminated through your skin and sweat. Now, everybody has been in a situation where they have eaten foods that are high in type of spices. And then what happens? You smell like it. Or some people have been around other people who've had a really rough night the previous night and they smell like alcohol. Yes, it goes through the skin. It's eliminating it. Also to your kidneys. Kidneys works in conjunction with the liver. Phenomenal organ, because not only does it help detoxify the body, but it helps filter the toxins out of the blood, okay, and then eventually excrete in the urine. So the kidney health is very important. I can't stress it enough. So again, should you detox? Should you not detox? Sure, everybody should. I do it. Everybody does. Okay, I definitely recommend it. However, if you're going to do it, take it seriously. Okay, so one thing that I stress to my patients, if you're really, really toxic, if you're really, really bad, okay, take it slow. Because again, you want to do baby steps. You don't want to go 0 to 65 in a weekend, okay? You'll fall flat on your face. Take it slow. If you're really, really toxic, then maybe that weekend of detoxification from that concoction, maybe not the best choice, okay? Let's start eliminating the foods first. Let's start eliminating the bad foods, the insulting foods first. And then maybe after 30 days, once you're eliminating these bad foods, then try, okay? The thing is though, when you're detoxifying, you want to drink plenty of water. Always want to drink plenty of water. I'm always stressing my patients. I had a patient of mine, he came in and he says, I don't drink enough water. I'm like, well, how much do you drink? This much. You need more water. It helps flush out your system, helps flush out the kidneys. Okay? It helps get rid of the toxins. So again, another thing I stress to my patients is, again, it's a lifestyle change. Because most people, we're all guilty of it, they want to go back to eating the standard American diet after they detox. It doesn't work that way. And the question is, why would you want to go back to what you did to get you here in the first place if you're going to, work so hard to detoxify your system? Okay? So again, don't clean up your body to only make it toxic again. That's one thing I always say. Don't waste your time. So again, you want to build up and make, lifestyle changes, because the cleaner you eat, the better you're going to feel, always. I've never had anybody come to me after 30 days and say, oh my goodness, I feel bad after I cleaned up my diet. Never happened. So again, cleaning up, you're detoxing once or twice a year. I always make the reference, it's like going to the gym once a month. Sure, you feel good, but you don't have any long-lasting benefits. So what you want to do is that you want to do a detoxification lifestyle, and that's just basically eating healthy, okay? Eating healthy. So what does that mean, though? Again, stop doing what you did to get you here. Cut out as much as you can the high fructose corn syrup. It's hidden in a lot of labels. It's either HFCS, corn syrup. There's other names for it that they're hidden. But again, this is where you have to get educated and understand that high fructose corn syrup is horrible for you. And also, too, estrogen-based foods. Your gluten, your wheat, the dairy, sugar. The more estrogen you have in your system boggles down the liver. Period. Reduce starchy foods. The white processed flours, the whole grain flours. Okay, that's going to boggle up the liver pathway. And you want to add quality vegetables, the cruciferous vegetables, the broccolis, the cabbage, the kale, okay, the asparagus. That helps. Those are jammed with nutrients, which helps clean up the liver pathway. In addition to, you want to eat a good high quality protein, quality oils like coconut oil, almond oil, extra virgin olive oil. That's all going to help the liver pathway, and in turn, it's going to help make you feel better. Exercise. You can't beat exercise. Exercise is good for a plethora of conditions, okay? One of the things it's going to do for liver detoxification. It's going to help control blood sugar. It's going to make you less insulin resistant. It's going to help utilize that insulin. So again, exercise is always a must. And then the supplements, I listed the supplements a little while ago, but again, you want to boost your glutathione, the N-acetylcysteine, the B vitamins, vitamin E, vitamin C, again, milk thistle, ALA, all those are going to help clean out the liver pathway, the phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification pathway. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment down below. Ask a question. I always answer all my questions if you notice in my past videos. Enjoy. Thank you. Take care.